right. Now that's gonna do all right. Let's get back to work. Alrighty guys, we're gonna be building my bed frame today. Just took all the walls down just so I can get the bare metal, see what I'm bolting stuff through. Step one, stay hydrated everybody. Gonna recommend everyone get a little DC in their system. Alright, now let's get prepped. The materials I'm gonna be using, this is a rib nut kit. It's basically the same thing as a rivet gun, except it puts threads into sheet metal, just allows sheet metal to hold a little bit more structural integrity. I've got some average deck hangers. So it's gonna happen, I'm gonna have a 2x6 that's bolted to the side of the van, 2 of them running this way, and then I'm gonna have these deck hangers to that where I'm gonna sit 2x4s in them just like normal deck joists. So it's gonna be it, and then throw some plywood on top. Go and thread your rib nut onto this riveter tool thingy, my bobber. Go in the new bed, I'm a little scared. Built-in Diet Coke holders though, that's sick. Wow, whoever designed this is genius. It sounds okay. There's a little bit of squeaking. A little bit of squeaking. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, that's gonna do.